All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's see if I am on. Give me a second. Time's at 1:12. I can't. It's crazy, man. I try to watch my favorite guy and then I lose time for my own thing. I think we're gonna starting this live like around 12:30 the latest because this 1 o'clock thing is not working because just to set up sometime may take me 1 minute, might take me five, and sometimes even like 20 minutes. Cameras like the camera right there, I need to get that going. I have another camera, in case you didn't know. Trying to upgrade the setup right there. Right, you see it? Am I showing it? Or just I'm showing myself. It's right there. There it is. I bought another camera. All right, so I had a lot planned. A lot planned. Overhead lights. Amazing. See my dark behind. Anyways, that camera, I don't know why it's not turning on. It's on, connected to the computer. I got it on like computer mode, whatever. So it's like pretty much a um, PC camera mode. It's supposed to show this one and that one, but for some reason I can only capture one video camera on this. So, and I know I can get more. I just need to figure out where this camera is, this second camera is, and then I'll be able to load it on to the setup. Okay, let me see if I'm on YouTube real quick. Log into my other channel and see if I'm on. I don't have that much time, guys. Oh, so it is on. Okay, I'm a little duck. So let me see if I can get myself. Um, there we go, and then bam. You see me? All right. I'm watching myself right here on the camera, the phone camera, so I can see how I look like and everything. So far, pretty good, not that bad, not that bad. All right, let me get closer. All right, testing, testing. Let's see. Let's see if this works. I'm trying to get back to like doing the live and the whole setting how I used to do it. Um, Camera right here. I got screen one, screen monitor two, laptop one with the monitor, actual monitor with the mix station right here. So everything's like work in motion. Um, I think I have enough lighting, but it is what it is. So, all right, we'll see what happens. Time is it? It's 1:17. I have to leave for work between 1:30 and 1:50 to make it. Man. Oh, in case you guys wonder why I didn't do any lives, um, especially the talk and drive, because that's the one that's the most easiest. I just turn it on and I just drive and talk to you guys as I'm doing, pay attention to the road. You feel me? Um, so when I'm driving, like it's literally on the dashboard, like right here. So if I glance over, I can still see the cars, you know? Um, but I usually hug the left side so that way there's no cars on this side of me, right? So cars are only on this side. So I have this view of cars and then you're right here. So like I can talk to you guys and like, we're good. And then glance over, you good. So that's usually how I got it set up. Um yeah, yeah. If you look up a little bit, there's one thing I wanted to do, which is right here. Bam. You see it? Can you see it? Yes, 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 yes. I got the other mirror. I'm so excited about that. Like, that's like my big accomplishment right there. That is my biggest accomplishment. Is the volume loud enough? Hold on, I'm looking for this. I need to have this thing on readiness. Like, there we go. I deserve it. Give myself another applause. They come through. Yeah. And the other thing is I'm watching myself, so I'm getting some feedback. But yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. All right. So next step, what I need to do is get this camera going because um, currently, like I don't know why. I don't know how I get this camera set. I don't know. I'm looking at the lighting, like I don't like it. There's lighting over here. So okay, good, 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 great. So all right, okay. So again, I have a monitor right here that I'm looking at. So if my eyes is down, it's because I'm seeing what's happening because I have control of all the boards that's here. Um, but yeah, so let's see. It looks like the lighting is good. Okay, okay. Yeah, it is what it is. I like it. I like it. All right, all right, all right. So, today what are we doing? Let me pan you over to my screen. So let's go to this one right here. Must be number two. Why won't this one show? All right, so okay. mouse. There we go. Bam. All right, so let's open this up and we're gonna get started. Yikes, 10 minutes. I don't think I'll be, I'll show you as much as I can on like what I'm doing because I gotta get stuff going right now. Um, all right. I may just get everything set up and then do it when I get home tonight if I'm not too tired. Okay, so this is screen. Wait, what just happened? What in the world? Okay. Let's bring it down. Let's bring it down a little bit. Okay. Flip horizontal. Bam. Okay, cool. So let's bring you on to the other screen and show you what's going on. Okay, cool. Um, there we go. You know what? Even better. Let me see if I can make this smaller. Bam. All right, so hold on 1 second. You're gonna see me in a minute. Just give me a second. Let's move me right here. Almost there. Almost there. All right, just arranging it. Bam. There we go. There we go. Yes, yes, yes. All right, all right, all right, right. So, what are we looking at? That right there is my logo. So, in case you didn't know, what happened is my embroidery machine. I'm gonna have to bring it so I'm gonna have to bring the camera so you can see. All right. So give me a quick second, right? Because this thing has messed up a lot of my orders, and I have to show it to you so you can see. All right. Okay. So on the embroidery machine, this right here is up, like it's up. The rest of these are down. I can't bring this up. I need to go to the side, remove this screw, remove that screw, and there's a special tool I need to twist and then bring this down. Now I don't have that tool, so now I have to call what you call it. I need to call the company so they can tell me what to do. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Let me turn it on because I need to do hats. Is it on? No, give me a second to turn it on. Wait a minute, just wait a minute. Give me a second to get it started. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what's happening, okay? Let me show you what's happening. Alright, so it turns on. When it turns on, there's a message right here that says main access not at 100. I didn't know what the main axis was until I saw a couple videos explain to me what exactly is going on, right? These are the main axis. This is the main axis, right? All these are at 100 except for this one right here. That's needle number 1. Now, in order for me to do my logo, I need needle number 1. Let's say, that I decided, you know what? Let me use another needle. This embroidery machine will not start until that axis is fixed. None of the needles are operational. None are operational. So now, let's say you press OK, right? And let's see, you say, you know what? Let me see if it prints. It will say the same thing. Non-embroidery state. The machine cannot start. Okay. So you close this, right? Enter embroidery status. Okay. Press start. It won't start because the main axis not at 100. That's this right here, right? That's this right here. So now I need to call the company and figure it out. Why? It's been having a lot of bird nesting, and that bird nesting threw it out of whack, and now it has to restart itself. So with that said, hold on, let me readjust. All right. Oh man, sorry, 30. Time be flying. All right. So like I was saying, because of that reason, the embroidery machine pretty much is off um off of use. I do have a second one, but I have to calibrate it and get it set, do some tests, and then get it going to see if it will work. That's my backup. Now, the backup can have the same issue too. So what we're going to do, let me get under this light right here because you got to see me. Um, so yeah, because of that, we're just in limbo. So that's why I said, you know what? I hit up the person. I said, you know what? It's a good friend. It's Mike, that dude. He's pretty chill. Plus, I have other jobs that's just in the queue, just waiting because this embroidery issue, right? So I said to myself, I'm not gonna let this stop me. I'm gonna go back to my main craft, what I used to use before, which is embroidery. I mean, which is vinyl. You can never go wrong with vinyl, right? It does take time. It is time consuming, but at the end of the day, sometimes you know what? Vinyl is the way to go. So what we're looking at is this right here, right? This right here. Hold on, let me bring the mouse to it. So we're looking at my logo right here. Um, Now the logo, it may appear big, but it's actually not that big. This is about 4 inches by it's like, I think it's like a 4 by 4. Hold on, let me take a look at just one. Oh, let's ungroup it. Oh, it won't let me ungroup it. Yeah, it's fine. It won't let me ungroup it anyways. Wait, let's see this one. No, no, it won't let me ungroup it. Ungrouping is when you can. So right now, this is connected to each other. If I chose to ungroup it, right? Ungrouping means you see all these individual letters. I could easily remove any one of them, even the logo, any of these dots, anything that's not connected, I can remove it. However, right now I can't, but let's take a look at how wide this is. So this right here is about, it's about 2.5 inches wide, right? Wide by 2.5 inches high. So if I was to print this and put it on a hat, it'd be perfect. Luckily, luckily I have this, and there's a couple hats I gotta do, right? So um, this is gonna be great. I gotta do this hat, these hats right here, right? Hold on, give me a quick second. Is there a mute button on this? Yeah, I'll just answer anyways. Brother man, what's the word? What's the word? Oh, machine a toujours beaucoup préparée. Yikes. Yikes. Hey man, sometimes gotta let these things go. Facts, facts. Make proper decisions, man. Proper decisions. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Wow. Wow. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Facts, facts. Yeah. Oh, I'm doing a live, so yeah. I was just saying you chatted up, but it's getting a little too deep. So you feel me? So yeah. Oh, okay, okay. You know, it wasn't gonna be that long. I probably would have just told you, and then you would have been like, okay. So yeah, man. Oh, for real? You about to go live? Yo, that's what's up, man. I like that. I like that. I'm almost done with mines. Right now I'm just complaining about the machine and the issues with it. And then I figured another way. So from there, it's like, oh, guys, I'm on a phone call just so you know. Yeah. Um, yeah, so just complain about the machine and then I figured another way. So I'm just showing like my plans for what I'm gonna be doing and stuff. And then from then on it's like hopefully I know you're gonna say not possible, but hopefully tonight or tomorrow I can come over and just get some embroidery done. I mean get some vinyl cutting done. You know the vinyl's my favorite. Yeah. Yeah, I'm working today. All right, cool. I'll hit you back on the road. All right, cool, 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 cool. It's gonna be a few minutes because I have to do a talk and drive. All right, cool, 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 cool. All right, shalom, my brother. All right, all right. Whoo! That was a call. I had to pick that up. Hold on one second. All right, cool. All right, all I'm doing right now is I'm just removing the bird's nest. That's it. the residue of the bird nest that was left over from the embroidery mishap. But yeah. So what you're looking at right now is just, this is called Silhouette. It's just a software that I use, and all that software is just, it's a design software, and then from the design portion, I just take it and bring it over to the cutter. The cutter is right here, right underneath the laser engraver is my, what's that thing called? My Silhouette vinyl. Oh man, my battery's low. Yikes. Ooh. Are we back? We back? We back? Okay, we back. Oh, wow. Hold on 1 second. Plop, plop, plop. See, that's connected to that one. This one's connected to this one. And there's the light. Okay. Okay. California DTF, what up? Let me send you a hey. Looks like everything is okay. So you want, let's send this one over. Bam. Um, Give me a quick second, guys. Just trying to get this set up. Where's this one? Don't even need this. Trash. Trash. Anyways, let me just talk about it. So what you see right now is just different designs I have set up for the hats. Um, Bear with me as I get the camera back on. Okay, let's remove this. Bam. I do not need that many screens. There we go. All right, cool. So let me focus on this right here. Bam. Um, Bear with me a second. Just Oh my God, it's already 43. Come on, yo. Yes. Woo. Woo wee. Give me a second. About to show myself. Bam. Oh man, that was hard. It wasn't that hard. It's just me not. Anyways. Um. So. See screen one, screen two. Right. This is screen two. Mm, okay. It is what it is. All right. I got it done. Um. All right. So let's bring the mouse over and bam. All right. So yikes. Anyways, um, in case you're wondering, I do have a DTF printer. I could just print everything on the DTF, but this is just like I like the vinyl. I like the whole setup. I like the feel. I don't want to deal with any DTF issues, vinyl issues. Vinyls have less issues than the DTF. Anything you have to do manual is a lot easier. Man, my time is flying. So my goal is to eliminate as many problems as possible. Now, here's the thing. When you're doing some certain things, right? Like for example, excuse me. Um, let's say it took you to make $200, right? No, $300. Let's say 250. You want 250. Normally, you would go to work 9 to 5, right? You work 5 days a week, and then after that, you would get your whole sum of money. If you want your money faster or sooner, you may have to change your bank so you can get it maybe a day or two faster than you would on Friday. That's if you want 250 bucks, right? Now, there's another way of being able to get 250 bucks, right? And I'm saying this on purpose to explain to you the different processes that I've been going through to try to get things done, and I'm learning different concepts on time and money. All right. So let's say you decided you wanted to do, I don't know, Uber, and you were in a busy city. If you were to do Uber for about, I say maximum 10 hours or something like that, yeah, you'd be able to get that 250, right? It would take you 10 hours, but you'd be able to get that 250. Now, the time and effort that you put in to get that money is more than if you were to just wait for it, right? You come in, you do an 8 hour shift, then after that, you go home. Now, when you want it faster, you have to put in more effort because the thing is, you still exacerbating the same amount of time to get that money. The only difference is the effort, right? So, if I could explain it better, so if you want that money faster and you decide to use a shortcut, it may seem like a shortcut, but it's the same amount of time frame, right? So Now that you see me about to do this vinyl artwork, right? You're thinking to yourself like, oh man, it's a lot faster to do DTF, and I can do DTF if I wanted to, and I don't have to weed, I don't have to do any of those extra stuff. But guess what? The same amount of time it would take me to get that DTF cut, right? I'd have to remove background, do all this stuff with the vinyl, I mean with the logo, and then after that, um throw some powder on there. I mean, after it prints on the DTF printer, I'd have to make sure the white is okay. Throw some powder in there, then send it over to a convention oven, get it nice and warmed up, and then eventually heat press it on the hat. It's the same process. The only difference with the vinyl is it's become a lot harder for me because this is foolproof. Once I cut out the image, it's foolproof, right? So that's not the only thing I have going on. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna do this because I don't see me having time right now. Hopefully I can get here tonight and do another live because my goal is at least two lives per day, right? So now there's another one right here. All right, the other one I have is this one right here, right? And what it is let me move it to the side so you can see it correctly. Bam, that's it right there, right? And let's make it bigger so you can see it. Give me a second. Like I said, there's a lot of things I also do, and because of time constraints, and being sick last week really sucked, man. I was in the shop doing much at all, much at all. And there's some other stuff I'm gonna be talking about. Yeah. Um, this one you won't notice it until I reverse it, right? So let's right click. We're gonna flip it horizontal. There it is. All right, so this next one is this, right? By the way, this is all gonna be in white. The reason why I put it in black is because this image is separate from the whole thing, right? This is what I love about these vinyl. Oh my God, it's like 50 already. Dang, time flies. That's crazy. Anyway, so I got this image I gotta do. This is for a good friend. I'm actually gonna make it smaller too, so I can put it on a hat. It's gonna go on a um, it's gonna go on a black hat, just like I have on this one right here. It's gonna be on this one. It's gonna be that logo is gonna be right here, but everything's gonna be in white except for the boss. I'm thinking about putting it in like gold, right? Because I have the gold, so yeah. So that's where it's gonna be in. Um, when I say gold, I'm talking about like this right here. All right, you see it? So it's gonna be in that gold. Um, what else? So I got that going on, and then for a friend of mine's, he's been really patient. I got this other design that I'm about to do for him real quick. This one, that one is gonna be on navy blue vinyl. Oh, there they are right here. So this is the navy gold vinyl, right? That's for that one. Navy blue vinyl, that's for that one. And this is the gold. That's gonna be for this one right here. So right where you see it says boss, let me see if I can make it into gold instead. Because I kind of like the gold, but let me use another color gold. Yeah, I mean, I wish you could see it. It's gonna be like in a kind of like a glitter gold. Yeah, it's gonna seem little weird, a little bit maybe. But the minute the person sees it, it's gonna they're really gonna like it. This is not like typical gold that glitter that like comes off. This is just it's regular vinyl that's just imitated, right? Imitation, and that's pretty much it. you know. And then, like I said, I'm gonna do um the calls me Papa. It's gonna be in this right here, and that's gonna be a oh man, it's 53. I gotta go. it's it's pretty much a what you call it, glow in the dark, but it's actually white. So it's gonna go on white on the shirt, and then let's say you turn off the light, bam. So if they're ever looking for the shirt, they can find it. But most importantly, it's gonna be on the hat for like during the nighttime. They can definitely see. You know what I mean? Um, that's more like a specialty vinyl, and I can't wait to get it done. Um, but with all that said, I gotta get ready to go. Um, as you know, I got the JLB, and I'm just glad I took that time off, man. I'm feeling way better. Whew. But again, guys, I'm sorry I missed Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then I really got better on Sunday. Um, but Sunday I was more in the shop trying to get this machine ready, so I didn't get a lot of stuff done for it. So it is what it is. But yeah, let me go to a full panoramic view of me so I can. All right, hold on 1 second. All right, cool, cool, cool. Yeah, so now you know what's going on. Um, Again, in case you're wondering, um I did finish this. This is the Epson XP 15,000 DTF printer. It's done. Everything's set. I have right here the waste. I mean the what do you call it? The fill tank is set. It's got film on there. If you can see it, that yep, film is right there in the back, and it's ready to go. Right. Um, so that's what's going on for my screen printing machine. Um, I modified a little bit. Like if you can see it, I modified it so I can put multiple screens on there, and that way I don't have to deal with just one screen. I can do multiple, right? And then behind me, I think I already showed it to you, is the I have the host set up. So what time is it? Dang, I gotta go. Yeah, so right there, um, messy. I clean my shop up a little bit. So right here is the air extraction, right? It removes all the air that's gonna be coming out of this right here. That is my laser engraver, so I can remove um, emulsion out of the screens, and then on the bottom, uh, vinyl cutter, and then my second vinyl cutter, which is the Cricut. So we we got a lot of things set um and ready. Also, I showed you I have another camera. I've been upgrading the channel. I've been getting things ready, so we can be good to go. And then problems as they go along, we're just gonna figure out how to deal with them. But that's it. I gotta go. I'm gonna be late. So like, subscribe. This Levi Apparel. Appreciate you. All right, let's stop streaming now.